If your Roblox is stuck on a loading screen on your phone, you can try these solutions. First, check your internet connection. Switch between your Wi Fi and mobile data to see if one works better, and turn on the airplane mode for 10 seconds and then turn it back off. Make sure that you're using a fast and reliable network, and Roblox needs a good connection to load properly. Now, try restarting your phone. Restart your phone completely, and this can fix temporary problems and stop ads from interfering with each other. You can also try clearing the Roblox cache. Go ahead, search for Roblox application, tap and hold onto it, and then tap on the eye icon in the top right corner. From here, scroll down and tap on storage and click on clear cache. Come back, try force stopping this application and re-enable it again. Also make sure that your Roblox application is updated. Open your Play Store if you're using Android and your App Store if you're using iPhone. And from here, simply search for Roblox application. And if you see an update button instead of open, something like this, which is highlighted in blue color, simply go ahead and tap on it to update it to its latest and newest version available. And if you're using a VPN, disable it. Turn off any private DNS in your phone settings if it's enabled, and Roblox might not work well with certain IP addresses. And make sure that you have at least 2 to 3 GB of free space on your phone, and delete apps that you don't use along with unnecessary photos and videos. Roblox needs enough space to load. And you can also try logging out and log back in. And lastly, if nothing works, reinstall Roblox application. Go ahead, uninstall the application from your device completely, and then reinstall it using the Play Store or App Store. So that's it for this video. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.